Welcome to the Coohom design tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to quickly create an irregular bowl-shaped feature wall. First, open your project and enter Custom Modeling. Start by drawing a rectangle to patch a surface onto the wall. Then, use reference lines to determine the position of the arc. Next, draw a smaller rectangle. Use the Arc tool to draw an arc based on the reference lines. Delete any unnecessary lines. Draw a small rectangle at the bottom. Then draw a circle. Delete the extra surfaces to get an arc shape. Use the Offset tool to create a cross-section of the arc. Remove the other extra surfaces. Select all the arc edges. Hold the Shift key to select multiple edges. Choose the Sweep tool and click to pick the arc cross-section. Now your bowl-shaped feature wall appears. Finally, click the surface behind it to copy and move it to the front. And that's it. Your bowl-shaped irregular feature wall is complete. Next, go ahead and try creating your own unique irregular wall.